What did you guys build today?
What we have right here is an awesome budget minimal PC for PCBros.tech and features some pretty good hardware as well. We got the i3 12100M, which is a 4-core 8-thread. We're also using RX 6600. We're using an Azurar B660M motherboard. We also have 16 gigs of OLED DDR4 memory at 3600 megahertz. We're also using a Thermaltake Assassin X120 to cool that i3, and it's inside this Thermaltake Versa H18 with a 600 watt power supply, so room for upgrades in the future. Very solid 1080p gaming system that'll be easily upgradable, and you could buy today at PC Bros for $800.
Now this PC right here, you don't have to buy because as this implies, it is a giveaway PC. If you didn't know, we do a giveaway every single month at twitch.tv/ToastyBros. And this PC right here has a 13400F and an RTX 3060 with DDR5 RAM. It is a really nice mid-range build. It'll be great for streaming. You'll be able to do content creation, a lot of gaming at 1080p and even 1440 if you wanted to. Has the NVIDIA encoder. It's an amazing build. We will be selling 4 of these as well for $1025 at PC Bros, which is basically the cost of the parts.
Buy a PC today, PCBros.tech.